I welcome back on the night show. As we take telling us, say we get addiction for inside studio. That them we go follow talk today. Now twins, nine them be.
They not fit be twins, Nedu.
Now twins.
My abasi my do. I'm telling you right now, get my do. That make it my so you see you.
But wait.
Me. You go believe say they be twins
at all.
But not be twins. I be not be twins.
One be manager now. Okay, twins.
Who be manager? Now you can be manager.
I don't know why they cast me like this. Forget just yellow. My color they come out around 10 a.m. in the morning. At that time I real color they should be this already after.
Yeah. So this not be original color. You yellow like this, I think.
But wait, now who yellow for your mama and papa?
Momsi.
Your momsi yellow. Your pack on black. So how your papa take duam?
No, all the girls yellow, the boys black.
So this year no be assisted yellow because you know.
No, I didn't bleach for be like Tonto Dike. Tonto Dike will not bleach. We know.
So I own natural.
No, the Tonto Dike fair normally. Then she can't drink that tablet.
Tonto Dike catch.
Don't worry, she go soon come show. You know say
Tonto Dike go soon come show. Don't worry. We go drag her come. We go talk her for her face that day. She go come show very soon.
We go say now wetin we
hear. Not be say because I not say I'm bleach. Now gist where I hear. Okay, mote pella. I go pella. Okay, mote that bleach.
Okay.
I go in.
Okay, mote don't come and show.
Okay, mote run.
We don't.
I call okay mote for phone. Okay, mote say Nedu. Hey, Nedu, how far? Say fine. So okay, mote. I say I beg. I go like me you come. Show more content. If you say Nedu no voice, I no go fake come. Say why you go abuse me? Me abuse I the craze. Why would I abuse? Maybe your work you won't come talk about.
I don't know.
Now another thing you do. Are you a pastor? Say you are a bleachist. When I come check the pictures, now I see Tonto Dike. He can't write for the picture. He say happy clients. Yeah. Check, go in.
Happy children.
Okay, 9 page. He say happy clients. So now which kind of clients? Now pure she go supply.
No, you never know. I tell.
No, she go add film.
She go add film for them. Then in name with the writer. In Wazobia. Anyway, make we watch one video from addiction. This one they call them no time.
Two of them be addiction. I be one.
Now two of them be addiction.
How them two feet be addiction? Then this one talks to the manager. No how. Not be the first time they don't tell her now.
But now who they addicted to who first?
I don't know.
Because
and who's in your who? First of all.
Okay, first of all, most start with. Most start first. Waiting be your original name where your mom give you.
Aaron.
Aaron.
Aaron in the Bible.
Aaron. Waiting be your span name.
Ego.
Aaron. Ego. You give one.
Sharon.
Aaron. Sharon.
Waiting. Aaron, the rose of Sharon.
Yeah.
They don't get traditional name.
No, okay, we're not get native name.
Don't forget about it.
I get OTT, and then the one where Grandmomsi won't give us now Okoro and Okoko.
Oh, that's why she don't like him.
The one that claims it is a Korokoko yard again.
Put your hands together.
Together as you make welcome.
Now that one be their sick too.
Anyway, go watch that video when they come back. You understand? If it's swag, go then this one.
You don't even ignore
even if not deaf and dumb, at least go do.
It just start like. You just they do it say you fine now.
Oh my God, one fresh pass me where they should.
You got one babe where they for back.
I see her.
Where open, Bobby?
Yeah, tall and slims.
Who be that babe?
I'm afraid though.
Yeah.
Why you dey look at?
Why they look me
I
say?
love hearing his stories.
She's my friend.
Okay, also who be the babe?
Now my friend, very good friend.
Who she? Tell us about the friend.
Define. I don't know.
Actually, she's an artist too. She dey sing too.
What did she dey sing?
Sexy Gina. She dey sing too.
What did she dey sing?
House music.
House music. How na take?
Sexy Gina.
Why he be say?
I don't like those names.
Wait, now for you. Are you relax? Say, now like those names. Sexy Gina. For those fame. Yeah, you with them, Now, why he be say? She no know him. Now you know him.
She not.
Hold on. Hold on.
Him pass for the video.
Hold on. But now she near you pass Okoro.
It can man when you about it. Okoko, you stand high.
Okoko, just stand high.
You dance. This one, yours come and the song sweet and pass.
Yes,
you know, Okoko.
I see. He can't get the person. The girl can't carry the thing. The one rubbing hand. You understand?
I mean, they enjoy it.
That time the girl can't open mouth more. My brother talk through. We not carry mark for our face for here. Waiting you and that babe they do.
No,
so after that video, that's where she wear. You come tell her bye bye. Thank you for coming. We go see whenever we see Abby. No talk now.
No, I don't think I'll tell her truth with that.
Hey, just tell them bye bye. May the Lord be with you.
You see that eye where go look
Thanks for coming. Now you the one do person. First your own and leave it here like this.
Who's in your who?
But wait, who's in your
Emil.
No, wait. No, not this one.
Oh Lord. Like that.
No, this senior.
Grandma Okoko and Okoro go talk.
They send me go see how the world be. Ma go look. You know, say Yoruba people they say na me be senior, na me will come second. So now go say she go check what's up, now she no show back. You understand?
Then you come gas me, you go check.
Me, I just want see, you understand? See.
But why you come the from
Exactly.
macho man for where she did now?
I don't know. I saw one by how many
come
minutes?
and sit down on my lap.
How many minutes?
Leave am. Come and sit down on my lap here. Leave am. If they disturb you, come and sit down on my lap is always available for you, baby.
Please. How many minutes it takes senior?
But may I ask you?
About 11 minutes.
Look at you.
Can you imagine?
You don't fear God and man.
Okoko senior. You know how many people they get belly between 1 minute?
I don't know.
You know how many people they go down
I
belly
don't
by
know.
that 11 minutes?
I don't know. I don't know.
What make una choose the name addiction?
Well, everybody get bad reference to the addiction. So we say, okay, we could try to change them, you know. We'll get people addicted to our own kind of style of music, our faces, you know, our own swag, you know. That's why I try to just rebrand them.
Who bring
to
the
give
name
a positive
addiction
side.
out of stuff?
But at the same time,
So girl, you know the way you dey quiet, I just dey like your style. You just
Now
don't
deceive
talk.
yourself.
thank you.
Now deceive this one.
How you take no am?
I know I'm talking out. Oh, teacher, change. This one.
How you know?
Hey.
No, means na night she dey waka. You know say
This one.
Karashika.
Karashika. What make you think of the name addiction?
Actually, it wasn't me. It was my sister. She was managing us. So she was one that...
Which one come with the English way they speak?
I don't know.
Okay, we can come down to the
Calm
level,
down,
you know.
dress. Hold up, nigga.
My sister
Hold up,
say...
hold up, nigga.
Maybe I feel like different.
You are tell you. Okoro is a bad guy. See, that's what I said. The bad guy can talk the bad guy. How to be a bad guy?
Oh, bad dude.
Now take it.
Bad name, I'm here with you.
Oh, you talk.
My elder sister, actually, she was not managing us then. So she came up with the name.
Which kind of English you dey speak? You think say we know the gospel?
She come up... Okay, now have read the name.
Street.
So as she can't explain them, we say, okay, that's cool. But for some time, we still they use Aaron and Sharon. People still know us with the name.
Okay.
And still the
Like bring and less.
Aaron and Sharon.
Okoko and Okoro.
Okoro, that one they one side.
Okoro and
Forget about
Okoro.
it. It's in the past.
But Mona time. We are addiction, aka Okorokoko. We Okorokoko your life. I'm not gonna blow. Okay. Not gonna blow.
Hey,
They go say one artist
song.
then I'll come invite Ekwe.
I swear.
Sample.
Now,
just dey
see,
do anyhow.
how long now you do music?
We don't take small loan. We start from just to start from.
Okay.
When our parents do, na me una do this thing.
Then they come show, come sit down for front of stage. Take massive. They dey
Come,
support.
when you dey perform, where girls they throw away bra. Hey, Okoro! Hey, Okoro! That's your mom, what they do?
She dey hear me for side, go say Bado. Even if I change DP, she go say, which one be this one? Nah. Say, mommy, no, this one go be the main one. She say, I don't tell her this thing like 7 times. I say, no, this one the last time. You
I
know?
never they tell you about that baby for that video because I know you. You're a bad guy. This guy, I know. Nothing in fridge you ask This guy go hold on.
You know, see as that song they shoot them for the video. He just dey everywhere inside the
No,
video.
internal,
With
well,
Nkrumah
internal
Araji,
well.
you know.
900 area boys go fit you.
Streets, yeah. Streets.
Now una film that thing.
Fajagule.
They're not the
For real?
Samuna.
No. They declare their booze now, so all of them follow us.
Okay, now they declare boost
hold
for
on.
them.
All of
As
them
usual,
would
you
do-
Even I say,
know.
I know one, that guy, get one guy when they for back, when they always put head for, you know.
No be that one will be like Momo start you waiting for
And
stand.
that one, we don't decode them since now.
that
This
one.
one, another one. He stand by that one, that girl where, you know, they
The one wey plait
Wasabi
hair,
and
wey
Redos.
go side.
Maybe not him.
No be that one. That way plait hair wey go side be like
Nah.
ASAP. They form ASAP rocket. Now. How long? Okay, I've been asking how long I done into music. Now, you get one of the song where I know. I don't forget the name of that song.
Maybe that.
Who be that? I love that song. Who be that? Sing that small song.
Peeping in my window.
And the video, everything about the song is classic. I love everything about it. I don't know why. Kemos and Kesolo. Kesolo, I will deal with you.
No, it's a
Kesolo, I will personally make sure you don't go heaven. And all these women you are pushing up and down. Kesolo, God is coming soon. Repent. Now, you're not going to do anything. Kesolo, he can't do more than a dead rat.
So it's like dead on arrival.
You can't do anything. Okay. Now, this one a song, Be With Me. Tell us about the song.
It just said, for instance, you get people when just one be with person, but they fit go through any extent to just stay with that person. No matter what happen. Whether you go get girlfriend.
Sometimes it doesn't happen.
Yeah, sometimes no, they ever happen.
Everybody
so
has that one person.
You know, always just try a lot.
That you want to be with. But you just think, can you go boom?
So now who be the person where be that
Because
one?
they look and you get as an eye, they
Still
shine.
thinking.
Yeah.
There plenty. Who wait, to even start with. You get boyfriend?
Yes.
Where in the?
What do they do? In BT, which kind of work when you do?
Which can work with you?
No, tell us now because you don't know. We don't know these days who be thief and who no be thief.
He's just managing. Life is okay for him.
What thing they do?
I know what.
No, yeah.
All this
No, ask Okoro go.
wait now. You mean say all this thing where they whine for video, in not the worry about
No.
So if you whine for me now, you're not gonna understand.
He understand.
So if you come here now, come whine for me now, it not go worry.
He understand.
Okay.
Eh,
You come
Jesus
wine.
It not gonna understand.
I say Jesus say he go understand.
So before we go try out.
We'll see how it will be.
I go be. Okoro, you got girlfriend?
I
No,
no get.
you never. No,
Yeah,
Okoro,
why I don't go pay attention to me?
you got girlfriends. No, you got
I know, I
girlfriends.
see, loving, caring guy like me. I didn't find. You understand?
You dey find?
I'm using this medium to look for you, please. If you're out there, I'm loving.
So this guy is love.
Gary.
Get one way breaking heart. Never reach like 6
You
months.
don't do, I never read.
boy nearly died.
Wait first.
The boy nearly
What
died.
did the babe name?
Hold up,
I know what
nigga.
colour
Hey, yeah.
Okoro is a fool.
Una dey fight, una dey work, una dey fight.
Where go?
Una never think of say like PSquare, say una go break up.
No, hungry go kill me because even the small fight, all the fight, she go say she did diet. Indomie now I go chop morning, afternoon, night, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. If I go shit now, win. Let it happen. So that's why the quarrel they reach house. So if you fight for here, they settle am for just.
Now I believe
call my mom.
say una no fit live without una. I'm telling you. Now I believe say.
No, but this people say
You know say they no complete.
They no way.
Twins no dey complete.
They not where.
The bone of your bone, that bone wey remain for e dey here. You come sef dey
I
there.
better say be twins, abi. No, not be play. Katim not be play.
Me talk.
Not be play. I be twins though. My twin sister die. Not only me na Indi. Not be play. I not play. I not lie. It's okay.
So
Anyway, back to the matter.
So,
now,
as
how many
well
songs
like
on don't get?
so you're not complete now.
I complain. Now me take everything. Now, how many songs on don't get so far?
About 5, I think. Yes, like 5.
But now 5 songs I don't do so far. Now, give one question I would like ask Una. Now, since I don't day into music, you don't reach like 4 years or how many years now? Now
You say you don't dey.
You don't take. So how the music industry they treat
how
Una?
receptive- yes,
how
how they-
receptive?
they-
I make a talk for English. How they take? How welcoming in the music industry day to Una? Because this entertainment industry is a doggy dog.
Yeah,
Very,
so-
very, very
Dog
dodgy.
eat
You know,
dog.
you know
It's a
it's
doggy
real.
dog
The
word.
dog industry.
And then una song no con dey like all the na where they sing where word no dey complete.
You understand, but this one makes sense. You see, I don't go lie give you. You not get any of addiction song will not make sense.
You see?
Why I know will not make sense.
So
Why
una
I don't
sister
hear?
still dey manage una.
No, she did Abuja. She do other things.
She
for
didn't
Abuja.
come down with us. Now we
So
there.
who dey? Okay, una no dey Lagos before.
We don't live for Lagos.
No, we just move come because of the whole.
We don't come because of interview.
No, because we dey Lagos now.
What you do for
Oh,
Lagos?
una come
We
because
come
of
get
the
house
hustle.
because of
Now
the
come
whole
buy
hustle.
market.
Now we come house here now.
To make it real.
Come house here.
Una better come Lagos. So now here the hostel
Yes,
there.
now.
Which time una come Lagos? You know tey una come.
No, never tell what
Like
we come.
last year.
Eh wo, una welcome me oh.
Una don't get when I get house.
Chai, Agungi.
Oh, now for here. What be your house number? Leave her. Wait, she answer me in the area.
You know say
I
na good girl now
Anyway, just the
be.
next time. The
Now
next time,
Coco.
I go don open well. the interview, I would be prepared.
You don't be prepared.
Yeah.
So you now Abuja babe, I be
And I
like
want
just
to
babe.
see Nkechi myself. I want to see Nkechi.
Oh, you are such a sweet girl.
Oh, yeah, me.
So industry, the thing are fine.
It's just there. It's
Not easy,
okay.
but we try. You know, nobody just won't give up on the hustle because now from just the like how the whole music thing start. I did the right song with some of my
Exactly. I
friends.
want to ask you that
You
question
know,
now, Seth.
Would they go write rap? Oh, they drink mineral. They write rap for all afternoon. They write rap. Now I can say I try one song. I can't pick this one from the gutter.
Because she been the say.
She just the Jones around. I can't go to do. She can't sing one song, the first song we ever released. And that day, Two-Face come just for Miss UJ.
Okay.
So we had elder ones in UJ, so we can't go perform there. 2 days after, we got record deal.
Wow.
From that first, we try our luck.
Wow.
Before you know, had album, OJB coming to Jos, Rugged Man coming to Jos. Before you know, album came out, then it went bad. So from there, we say, okay, make we know the hustle, this just big fish in small pond.
Yeah, exactly.
We now move to Abuja, do, hustle, can't get another record deal. Can't do who be that.
Yeah.
From there, we talk, push, can't enter Lagos. So it's not been easy, but so far it's so
all
good.
my
Yeah.
experience.
All my experience
Yeah,
because if you check on a day jobs, now do day jobs now be big for just people know now for just. When I enter Abuja too, people know now for just get record label. Now that enter Lagos now they starting now very soon. I mean everybody go.
With Nkechi by my side.
I mean, who be this Nkechi?
I don't
Make
know.
me an easy bit no.
I don't know.
Make me an easy bit no because
At the 21st of November, we are giving free one.
that voice sounds familiar. But, you know, I see they try to place.
I don't know what people are talking about.
I'm trying to place the voice.
For
Nkechi Nyere.
Una don't do any collaboration with any artist so far.
Yeah, we don't do Brimo, we don't do
Oh,
Runtown.
I love Brimo.
We'll get some the album.
Dr.
One drop the
Sid.
album very soon. Don't get Dr. Sid. We have some coming out with Tianya.
Wow.
And other names that we see the
So
try.
And they get the vibe. You know, from their video, you go.
From here, sir, if you see
Color
how they
TV
treat
alone
them.
go sell this man.
No,
This man now. He go
This
just
one
the new
This one
conductor.
just collect the money.
You know that you get one song where Flavor sing. He put one day call. He say Flavor one day call. He say you know say he get people when wear police uniform when
Yes,
he be like say he could fit them.
No, the police go fit.
So imagine saying they stand there, they conduct, they dance. Oh la la, oh la la, oh la la.
Now, when this is an album now, how many songs go there for inside the album?
Well,
I will never decide yet.
We'll never decide, but they look about 15.
By 15. So now when
So now get songs down already.
No, we already have plenty. We just want to add them up.
Screen
You
and
know say yesterday.
no, but now so it dey be
They
artists.
go right reach 200 songs.
If you want know artists where they good, artists when they be say their head the house. Now it be like comedy as well. You go don't get materials. You can't choose. You can't try the materials out.
We don't be bad.
Do I way bad? Where you know say go tear.
You go
Now
be your
use.
top,
You understand? You go be your top.
maybe
So now
top
like
20
the same
top.
thing for addiction.
After you don't drop the album, if you can't.
You understand? If you can't,
No.
and these people don't know. So how many people then sabi? But all those ones, if you can't, they lie say na leak.
And I mean they leak the song.
Yeah,
Don't be
yeah,
a chance. Yeah,
Now so they call lie say na leak. You
The
understand?
songs, if you write them down, if it expire now because the beat in fit change
Some
after.
songs where you don't write like 2 years ago. If you do with new
My
producer.
brother, that
But
kind
you
of
know,
song like
man tell you,
Child.
no.
Yes,
No,
no,
man tell you.
You know if they sing that
You
Child
see that their
come.
song?
You know if they sing I'm today.
No, but if he said 2 years ago, if that their song,
okay.
who be that?
Who be that?
If them drop that, who be
who
that
be that
today?
swing?
I swear that will be that. Go blow extra. That will be that. Go blow extra pass.
When this is the guy. Take him. Take him out.
So then we get show now.
What do you mean? Now you get.
What's happening? What's he do?
He said God go punish case. He said case don't fit do more than a dead rat.
hey, I guess
I didn't want to do. They didn't know they get one. This one I case to do.
He never expected it.
Don't dig it.
What see what we can do now?
So, I have to go back them more.
Hey, so why they no carry me now?
You don't follow talk now.
You know talk now?
Okay, I dey question am that time, abi.
I did tell her say me take am easy.
So what we go do now?
Talk.
No, na to beg them, abi na to go bail am.
Me collect small, ba.
I don't know.
Mo leave me collect small.
No, maybe they go. We don't close show. Bye. Una tell you, we don't make I go find Nedu. Me no be like say, you know, now I'm in by me. I don't care about him. If they go send Nedu now, what we go do? So maybe we go. We don't close show. Bye. Happy Salah tomorrow. You know, until tomorrow we don't they go. Bye. If they do, we go.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.